You?
Hi, I'm good. How about you?
I'm also good. Okay, so tell me something about yourself.
Sure. So, hello everyone. My name is Yasmin and I'm from Bihar and I have completed my graduations. That's all. Yeah. I think
Okay,
that's enough
good.
to introduce myself. Yeah.
Yeah, good to hear that. All right, so as I know that you are an English trainer, so how do you improve your English? Like, tell me something about your English journey.
Yeah, actually, I started my journey from YouTube channel. I didn't have the environment for spoken English. So what I would do is that I would just try to watch more and more videos in English language. And from there, I would try to collect the vocabulary. Like whenever I would get any unfamiliar vocabulary, I would just try to make some sentences of it. And what I did, I started my journey from learning grammars because I didn't know how to construct the sentences and everything. So when I started making the sentences, then after I would just try to speak more and more. Like I would do some crap things as well. Like I would talk in front of the like mirror. Sometimes I would record myself, and sometimes I would do like a storytelling. Anything would come in my mind, I just start speaking.
Mm-hmm.
So likewise, I just kept on improving myself. Yeah, I didn't have anyone, but I've just learned it just by the help of YouTube channel.
Okay, that's really good to hear that you are so enthusiastic that you learn through YouTube channel. So, do you practice it daily?
Yeah, actually, even now I do practice it daily. I have just make a schedule at least 35 to 40 minutes. It's my own time. I just only do practice of speaking English. Yeah.
Okay, so what do you practice in those like 30 to 40 minutes?
I have installed one app that is Hello English, and in that app I just create a voice room, and there are lots of people who just connect with me, and then we pick up any topics, any random topics, and then we start making a conversation on it.
Okay, that is really good. Yes, nowadays technology is improving. We can connect anyone anywhere through the help of mobile, like we are connecting now. Okay, that
Exactly.
is really good. So, do you think like this way, is it helpful to improve your English?
Exactly, because I think for speaking English, firstly, we need to learn conversational English that we use in our day-to-day
Uh-huh.
life.
Yeah,
And
right.
that's what I do like while I'm talking with someone. So mostly we talk about that happens in our day-to-day life. And that's really helping me. Because
Yes.
likewise, I'm able to improve not my English, but also my communication skill as well.
Uh-huh. Yeah, this is right. So, what do you think? Like, how much time does it take to learn a new language?
I think it depends on your consistency. Yeah, if you are consistent, then it will take you, I think, like 7 to 8 months. But I'm not saying that it will make you'll be fluent in this language, but at least your basic, you'll be able to learn a basic, you'll be able to complete your basic.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And
Okay.
afterwards, it depends on your consistency and your hard work. That's it.
Uh-huh. That is good to hear. Okay, and what about like, do you talk to anybody in English also apart from that app you talking about?
No, apart from that, I sometimes I talk to my students in English language, and if I get the time, so if any thoughts comes in my mind, I just talk to myself, except using that app.
Okay, that is
Yeah,
good. Yes, this will help you to practice yourself, and you can even like practice in your memory. Uh-huh.
exactly. Because I don't have any alternative except it, and that really helps me. Yeah, that really helps me by talking with myself and some others, some with my students and with others people as well. Just because of the social media, I think it's a blessing for me.
Yeah. Yes, rather it has become our habit. These days, people feel like social media is more of a habit. And yes, there are like good things as well about it. And on the other side, there are some things which are not good for ourselves. Okay, let's talk about the good things only. All right, so next thing it is when you teach your students, so from where do you start teaching?
I started teaching from madrasa student who is from Urdu medium. They
Okay.
have a very zero, I can say zero knowledge about English language. They didn't even know how to write their names in English language. So I started teaching from those students. And from those students, I started teaching from the Jamia student who is doing preparation of entrance. And then I started teaching to those students also who is from the CBSA. So likewise, my journey started from there. Yeah, and now I came on YouTube channel as well.
All right. So with the students like those who speak Urdu, so how much time does it take for them to improve?
Actually, I have completed their basic. Now they are able to speak like Persian tense. Earlier, they were not able to write even their own names. They would make lots of mistake by writing to others' name and his name as well. But now they are able to make like Persian simple tense. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
it's just the
Oh,
journey is going on. It's still now.
uh-huh. Okay. All right. This is good to hear that you are helping the people in the students to improve their skills. This is really good job you're doing. Uh-huh.
Thank you so
Apart
much.
from this, what else you love to do? What are your hobbies?
Apart from this, I love baking. Earlier, I used to be a baker. I was working from home as a baker,
Oh,
and I would
wow.
make cakes
Good.
and chocolates. Yeah,
You know how to make like at home? You make homemade?
yeah. I make homemade cakes and chocolates, both.
Okay, that is good. Okay, so
Yeah,
you cook a lot of yummy and delicious cookies.
yeah. Actually,
Okay.
yeah, cookies, cakes, chocolates, these kinds of things.
So you're not doing it now at the moment?
No, right now I don't get much time to do. Like I have started my own YouTube channel, the teaching, and my self study as well. So it's like very messy for me. So that's why I'm
Okay.
not able to do.
What are you studying at the moment?
These days, I'm just learning. I'm working. I have joined one course that is personality development, advanced personality development. So I'm just working on it. So at least I have to give myself 2 to 3 hours for that.
Okay, that is good. So what do you learn till now?
Till now, I have learned how to learn communication skill in advance, how to talk with anyone, how to initiate talking with anyone. Because it happens sometimes, yeah, when we start to talk with anyone, we just feel like what should I talk with them because I don't have any topics and how to
Uh,
initiate talking, right? So I have learned from one thing like how to talk with strangers and what kinds of questions should I ask so that that person could get interest in me.
so what do you learn? Like what kind of questions you should ask the strangers?
I think we should try to ask that question that should be not short. Like I'm gonna give you one examples. If I meet to any stranger, so I should start from appreciate because everyone likes compliment. So if I
Yeah, this
start
is
compliments, they will like me, and while I'm talking that person, so I should try to use his name,
uh-huh.
use his, use his name. And the third thing, I think, when I'm talking to that person, I should try to ask more and more questions with that person because everyone likes if I'm giving them attention, so they will get interest in talking to me.
Mm-hmm.
And to make sure that question should be not ended question. Like ended question, it means like if I ask what is your hobby, so he might give me the answer like I like reading books or anything else. But if I say what is your hobby and why do you like it, right?
Yes,
So he
so that
will
it
give
can be
that.
extended.
Yeah, exactly. So likewise, I can initiate my talking with that. Whether he's any
Yeah,
strangers, I can
that's a
initiate it.
good idea. That's really a good idea you suggested. Okay, it was really nice talking to you and to know about your English journey, how you are learning and working on yourself, as well as helping the students also to grow. Thank you so much for connecting, and it was really nice talking to you.
Thank you
Bye.
so. Bye.